Hello, people. Well, everybody seems to do breakfast with bacon and eggs and breakfast sausage and potatoes, but we're going to try this a different way. We're going to use plant-based protein and it's going to be dairy-free. The first thing you want to do is get yourself some Italian field roast sausages and diagonally cut them and cook them up. Next thing you're going to do is get a bunch of celery, clean each stalk and cut off the butts for steaming in a nice hot pot. Nobody gives celery any love anymore, but I'm going to show you a new way to eat it that you are going to love. Did you know that celery is an anti-inflammatory? And inflammation is what causes disease, so eat a lot of celery. Once the steaming is complete, remove from pan and cut them in half. Place them in a little bowl or container. And now you're going to add a few different seasonings to this container and you're going to shake it all up to get all those nice seasonings all intermixed. We have sesame oil, we have a little bit of garlic granules, some coarse salt, and we have some ground pepper, and we will top it with a little bit of dill weed. And the secret to life everlasting, butter. Put 2 teaspoons of butter inside and shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Now the secret to eating this steamed celery is you still need to use a knife and fork, and you would cut it just like you're eating a piece of meat. Now we also cooked up some potatoes and cut them in ringlets and fried them. So here is what these delicious food items together look like for breakfast or dinner. And you can plate them several different ways. This is with kale and mixed all together. The Italian field roast sausages are so flavorful, we didn't even season it and it tasted delicious.